Uh-oh, he's gonna, okay. Okay. Do it, Tyler. Oh, God. Dozer. You smell your crotch. He went head first in your crotch, Tyler. Tyler, you're scaring him.
Backing up.
Come here, Dozer. Dozer. Dozer, come here. Come here, baby. He's scared. He's scared of you.
No, he's not. Whoa! His head turned.
Hey, what are you doing? Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! He's trying to help you.
No!
Oh my God! Tyler, be quiet. You're being loud.
That's why it's me.
Tyler, shh. My dog is humping Tyler.